guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Know How with Sugu. I hope you all are doing very well. Today in this video I am going to review one of the most hyped product. Like, it is #1 serum in US and I really wanted to try it and share my reviews with you. Yes, I am talking about the most talked and #1 serum of USA, that is L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Yes, I have been using it for a couple of weeks. So guys, in this video I'm going to share my experience with this amazing product. I do have oily skin and it has worked amazingly for me, and I can really say why this is considered as #1 serum in USA and many other countries as well, like Europe and China extra, but right now it is available in India. So yes, I have tried it for a couple of weeks and I'm going to share my detailed review about it, how I felt and what all changes I experienced. So let's begin the video. But before starting the video, what you all have to do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram link. You can go and follow me over there. So let's begin. So guys, let's talk about the product, what it is, why I really want to try it. Yes, it is L'Oreal Paris 1.5 Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We all know that hyaluronic acid is hyped in the market and many dermatologists, many blogger, influencers and celebrities also talk much about this. And this amazing bottle contains 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. Yes, it contains 1.5 concentration of hyaluronic acid, which is amazing. Everyone was talking about this product. Like in USA, it is considered as #1 serum, like I have told you, and I really wanted to try it, and now it is available in India, and all this was quite enough and quite influencing for me to try this product. So I have tried it for around 2 weeks completely, in morning as well as in my night skincare routine, and I have seen amazing, like I have seen tremendous change. So guys, first talk about the key ingredient, or we can say the hero ingredient of this product is hyaluronic acid. So guys, what is hyaluronic acid? First of all, everyone is talking about it. Hyaluronic acid is basically the molecules that are already present in our skin, which do have ability to hold 1,000 times of its weight in water, which provide us hydrated and plumpiness in the skin. But as we start aging, the HA levels start dropping, due to which our skin become dull and dehydrated, and we also lose the plumpiness of our skin. Here comes the benefit of this amazing serum. It contains 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. If we use it daily in morning as well as evening, it will provide ample hydration to our skin. Yes, plus it will also increase the skin radiance by 42%. Yes, and it also provides the skin plumpiness. Your skin hydration will be increased, your skin radiance will be increased up to 42%, and you will get again this plumpy skin. You just have to include this amazing serum in your morning and evening skincare routine and just see the difference. After a week you will feel a difference, and I am saying guys, you have to try this. Here's a demo video. You can see how I applied. I have just applied and you can literally see how amazingly it provides me the on-spot hydration as well as skin radiance. Like, my skin really feels amazing. So here is the video, please check it out. You just have to apply 3 to 4 drops on your face using a dropper, and with the gentle hands massage it properly. I must say the texture is very lightweight. You can see it is totally non-sticky, absorbs in the skin like a magic. The product has no alcohol, colorant as well as fragrance, so that means it is perfect for the sensitive skin people. I prefer to use in my day as well as in night skincare routine, and after that I apply my moisturizer or the cream, whatever I need. I do have oily skin and my T-zone is super oily. After using this serum, I noticed that my skin was quite hydrated. Even the oil seemed to be more in control. I can literally feel the change. My skin is more smooth and hydrated. I totally love it. So guys, now let's talk about the packaging as well as the price. L'Oreal Paris very well know how to win hearts of its customer with the amazing and luxurious packaging. Just see the packaging. I totally love it, and the best part is that it is a glass packaging and you can clearly see how much your product is left, and it is a very hard glass, I must say. This serum comes in 2 sizes. One is 15 ml for rupees 499, another one is 30 ml, which is this bottle, for rupees 999. You can buy this from the link available in the description. All the links of this product will be available in the description. You can go and buy over there. I must say it is a magic potion for your skin, guys. Do try it. If your skin is feeling dull, dehydrated, This is the magic potion. You need 2 drops of it and your skin will really thank you, guys. Here are my final words. It is amazing. It is a bomb product. All the hype is totally right. It is totally a holy grail product from L'Oreal Paris. Do try it. I loved it. So I will be coming up with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.